Hello students. A major update has arrived for NCET 2026 candidates. RIE Bhopal, a constituent unit of NCERT, has officially released the ITEP admission brochure for the academic session 2026 to 2027. The institute is offering two programs: 4-year integrated BSc B.Ed, secondary stage, 4-year integrated BA B.Ed, secondary stage. The total intake is 150 seats, including 100 seats in BSc B.Ed and 50 seats in BA B.Ed for BSc B.Ed. The seat distribution is physics 20 seats, chemistry 20 seats, mathematics 20 seats, zoology 20 seats, botany 20 seats for BA B.Ed. The seat distribution is English 7 seats, Hindi 7 seats, Gujarati 1 seat, Marathi 2 seats, Urdu 1 seat, history 8 seats, political science 8 seats, geography 8 seats, economics 8 seats. Now let's talk about the selection process. Admission will not be based only on the overall NCET score. RIE Bhopal will prepare separate merit lists for each major subject. The merit will be calculated using total NCET score plus score of the major subject selected by the candidate. For example, if a student applies for physics major, then the physics score in NCET scorecard will also play an important role in preparing the merit list. Similarly, candidates applying for history, geography, mathematics, chemistry, or any other major will be ranked based on both their overall NCET score and the score in that specific major subject. No additional entrance test or interview will be conducted. Candidates must have secured at least 50% marks in class 12 and should have appeared in the relevant NCET domain subjects. The application fee is 1000 rupees for general by OBC candidates and 500 rupees for SC by ST by PWD candidates. Although the admission schedule has not yet been announced, RIE Bhopal has already released the brochure and activated the counseling portal. This indicates that the application process and counseling schedule may be announced very soon. If you are interested in pursuing ITEP through RIE Bhopal, keep your NCET scorecard and documents ready. For more NCET 2026 ITEP admission and counseling updates, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.